How to ship from Morocco, a step-by-step guide. Are you in Morocco and looking to ship items back home or internationally? Whether it's a unique souvenir, handmade craft, or a bulk order, this video will guide you through the process of shipping from Morocco, step by step. First, you'll need to decide on a shipping method. Morocco offers several options, including 1. Post Maroc, the national postal service, great for smaller packages and documents. 2. DHL, FedEx, and UPS international couriers, ideal for faster delivery and tracking. 3. Freight forwarders, for large or bulk items, consider using a freight forwarding service. Choose the option that best fits your needs based on cost, speed, and the type of item you're shipping. Next, packing your items securely is crucial. Use bubble wrap, padding, and sturdy boxes to protect fragile items. If you're shipping delicate Moroccan ceramics or glass, consider double boxing them for extra protection. Don't forget to include a detailed packing list inside the package, and if necessary, add fragile labels on the box. However, if you're purchasing items from certain shops, they can take care of all the packaging and shipping for you, ensuring your items are securely packed and safely shipped. For international shipments, customs documentation is required. You'll need to fill out a customs declaration form, listing the contents, value, and purpose of the items. Be honest and precise to avoid delays. Make sure to check if your destination country has any specific restrictions on the items you're sending. Once your package is ready, head to your chosen shipping provider. They'll weigh the package, calculate the shipping cost, and provide you with a tracking number. Keep this number handy to monitor your package's journey. If you're using a courier service, they often offer additional insurance options, which can be worth considering for valuable items. Shipping times and costs vary depending on the destination and shipping method. Post Maroc is usually the most affordable but slower, taking anywhere from 1 to 4 weeks for international deliveries. Couriers like DHL or FedEx are faster, often delivering within 3 to 7 days, but at a higher cost. Always ask for an estimated delivery time at the shipping counter so you can plan accordingly. Shipping from Morocco can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Whether you're sending gifts to loved ones or fulfilling an online order, make sure to choose the right shipping method. Pack your items securely, and complete all necessary paperwork. And remember, some shops can handle the entire process for you, from packing to shipping. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel tips and advice.